Checo brand. Let us have a look. Checo Castor Oil, wooden cold pressed and unrefined, 200 ml. It's a very nice brand. It is the pure one. Checo cold pressed virgin hair, eye, and this is the sealing. The sealing will look like this. Yes, let us see the color of this oil. This is the color. I will show you some differences. This is another brand, Pure and Sure Organic. It is a 500 ml. See, it is little bit lightish color and it is thicker color. And this is, I purchased it from my place. The color of this castor oil is like this. This is heavy thick oil with dark, and it is light oil, and some more light oil is this. So when you find the effect, this is the most effective one which I found now. I have to test this one, and this is also fine, but basically as of now I feel this is very fantastic, very good for hair and skin. The differences, it is looking like this. It's such a dark color. This is light color, this is dark color, and this is Pure and Sure. This is some more, this is very light. Comparing to, if you compare both, this is very lightish. The smell of this is very fine, and this is not having much smell, and this also not having much smell. So when you compare, this is the oil containing in the bottle, and this is the oil which is containing in this bottle, and this is the light color oil. So it is lightish, but it is a little bit thicker, dark color comparing to this. The higher dark one is this. Anyhow, I have to test this, as it is mentioned in the description of Amazon, said it is wooden cold pressed and unrefined. I will try it and I will give you the feedback. I hope this video is useful and informative. Let us meet again.
'Cause I've been living life right like I could just die